Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to our deep dive into Apache Velocity Tools. This powerful extension of Apache Velocity brings a rich set of utilities that enhance templating capabilities. Whether you're building web applications or generating content in standalone Java programs, Velocity Tools provides a robust framework for creating reusable components. It's designed to make your templates smarter and your code cleaner. Before diving into Velocity Tools, let's quickly recap Apache Velocity itself. Velocity is a Java-based template engine that allows you to generate text output such as HTML, XML, or SQL. Its simplicity and flexibility have made it a popular choice among developers who want to separate presentation logic from business logic. With its intuitive syntax, Velocity makes it easy to embed dynamic content in static templates. So why should you care about Velocity Tools? Simply put, it adds a layer of functionality to your Velocity templates by introducing pre-built utility classes. This means less boilerplate code in your templates and more focus on what matters, delivering value to your users. It also improves the maintainability and scalability of your applications by promoting reusable components. At the heart of Velocity Tools are two key concepts: tools and toolboxes. Tools are essentially Java classes that expose their methods to Velocity templates. Toolboxes, on the other hand, are collections of related tools grouped together. You can configure these toolboxes to operate within different scopes: request, session, or application, depending on your application's needs. The architecture of Velocity Tools is built on top of the Apache Velocity engine. It features a modular design that allows developers to selectively include only the tools they need. This modularity extends to support for multiple environments. Whether you're working in a web application or a standalone Java program, Velocity Tools adapts accordingly. Configuring toolboxes in Velocity Tools is straightforward. You define them in XML configuration files, where each toolbox can contain multiple tools. These tools can be scoped to different levels: request, session, or application, depending on how broadly or narrowly you want them to be available. This flexibility allows fine-grained control over resource usage and performance. One of the most commonly used built-in tools is MathTool. It provides a range of mathematical operations that can be performed directly within your templates. From basic arithmetic to more advanced calculations, MathTool simplifies the process of embedding dynamic numeric logic. You can access it easily using the math variable in your templates. NumberTool is another essential utility that handles number formatting and localization. Whether you need to format currency, percentages, or apply custom numeric formats, NumberTool has you covered. It's accessible directly in your templates using the number variable, making it easy to present numbers in a user-friendly way. DisplayTool is all about formatting and displaying data within your templates. It supports features like truncation, wrapping, and escaping of content, ensuring that your output is clean and safe. You can access it using the display variable, which makes it easy to control how your data appears to the end user. DateTool simplifies working with dates and times in your templates. It supports formatting for multiple locales and time zones, making it ideal for international applications. Accessible via the date variable, it allows you to display dates in a format that's appropriate for your audience, without writing complex Java code. Security is a critical concern in web development, and EscapeTool helps address that. It escapes special characters in strings, preventing cross-site scripting XSS and other injection attacks. You can access it using the esc variable, ensuring that any user-generated content is safely rendered in your templates. LinkTool is designed for generating URLs and hyperlinks within your templates. It supports query parameters and URL fragments, making it easy to create dynamic links. Accessible via the link variable, it simplifies the process of building navigation and routing logic in your web applications. When dealing with large datasets, pagination becomes essential. PagerTool helps you create pagination controls for lists, supporting customizable page sizes and ranges. Accessible via the pager variable, it makes it easy to break down large amounts of data into manageable chunks, improving user experience. AlternatorTool is a handy utility for alternating between values in loops. It's particularly useful for styling alternating rows in tables or lists, adding visual distinction to your content. You can access it using the alternator variable, making it easy to implement this common design pattern. ComparisonDateTool allows you to compare dates and calculate differences between them. It supports relative time expressions like 2 days ago, making it easy to display human-readable timestamps. Accessible via the comparedDate variable, it enhances the usability of date-related content in your templates. While Velocity Tools comes with a rich set of built-in utilities, you may sometimes need to create custom tools for domain-specific logic. To do this, you extend abstract classes provided by Velocity Tools, implement your logic in Java, and register the tool in your Toolbox configuration. This gives you full control over the functionality exposed to your templates. Understanding the lifecycle of tools is crucial for performance and resource management. Tools can be scoped to request, session, or application level, and they are instantiated accordingly. Proper lifecycle management ensures that resources are used efficiently and that your application performs optimally under load. Velocity Tools integrates seamlessly with web frameworks like Spring MVC. VelocityViewServlet is the primary integration point for web applications, allowing you to configure toolboxes per web context. This makes it easy to leverage Velocity Tools in modern web development environments. VelocityViewServlet is a key component when integrating Velocity Tools into web applications. It handles HTTP requests for Velocity templates, automatically managing toolboxes and contexts. It also supports internationalization and robust error handling, making it a reliable choice for production environments. Velocity Tools provides strong support for internationalization. Tools like DateTool and NumberTool automatically adapt to user language settings, ensuring that your content is displayed correctly across different locales. This makes it easier to build applications that serve a global audience. Security is always a priority, and Velocity Tools includes features to help you stay secure. EscapeTool prevents XSS attacks by escaping user input, but you should also validate input where possible and avoid exposing sensitive data directly in templates. These practices help protect your applications from common vulnerabilities. Performance optimization is key when using Velocity Tools in production. You can cache tool instances where appropriate, minimize expensive operations within templates, and use tool scoping to control resource usage. These strategies help ensure that your applications remain fast and responsive. Debugging Velocity templates can be challenging, but with the right approach, it's manageable. Use logging to trace tool behavior, check your toolbox configuration for errors, and validate template syntax using Velocity directives. These techniques help you identify and resolve issues quickly. One of the most common real-world use cases for Velocity Tools is generating personalized email templates. By leveraging tools like NumberTool and DateTool, you can dynamically generate content tailored to each recipient. Integration with email delivery systems makes it easy to send these personalized messages at scale. Reporting systems benefit greatly from Velocity Tools. You can generate reports with formatted data using tools like NumberTool and DisplayTool. These tools handle calculations and formatting, ensuring that your reports are both accurate and visually appealing. Support for multiple output formats makes it easy to meet diverse reporting needs. Web applications can leverage Velocity Tools to create dynamic pages with VelocityViewServlet. Tool integration simplifies form handling and data presentation, while tools like PagerTool enhance the user experience by providing intuitive navigation. This combination makes it easy to build responsive and user-friendly web interfaces. When compared to other templating engines, Velocity Tools stands out for its rich utility support. While JSP lacks built-in tooling for advanced templating, and ThymeLeaf offers similar features with strong Spring integration, Velocity Tools provides a lightweight and flexible alternative that's easy to extend. To get the most out of Velocity Tools, follow these best practices. Keep your templates simple and logic-free, use tools to encapsulate complex operations, and test your tools thoroughly in isolation. These practices help maintain clean, maintainable code and ensure reliable performance. While Velocity Tools is powerful, there are common pitfalls to avoid. Overusing tools in templates can lead to unnecessary complexity, improper scoping can cause memory leaks, and neglecting security can expose vulnerabilities. By being mindful of these issues, you can use Velocity Tools effectively and safely. Let's take a deeper look at Toolbox Configuration. The XML structure defines how tools are grouped and scoped. You can configure tool properties and scopes to match your application's needs. Additionally, toolboxes can be loaded from external sources, providing flexibility in how you manage your configurations. Extending Velocity Tools is straightforward. You create custom tool classes by extending base classes, register them in your Toolbox configuration, and test them in isolation before integrating them into your application. This approach ensures that your custom tools are reliable and performant. Tool context management is essential for exposing tools to templates. Context objects align with tool scopes, ensuring that tools are available where and when they're needed. For advanced use cases, you can implement custom context providers to tailor the behavior to your specific requirements. Validating your Toolbox configuration is a critical step in ensuring reliability. You should validate configurations at startup, check for missing or misconfigured tools, and use logging to trace validation results. This proactive approach helps catch issues before they impact your users. Monitoring tool performance is key to maintaining efficient applications. Track metrics like tool instantiation rates and usage patterns, especially for complex tools. Use this data to optimize tool usage and ensure that your application performs well under load. Testing your tools is essential for reliability. Unit test tools in isolation to ensure they work as expected. Perform integration tests for Toolbox configurations and use mock context to test how tools behave within templates. These strategies help ensure that your tools are robust and dependable. If you're migrating from older versions of Velocity or updating your tools, follow this guide. Review the upgrade path, migrate custom tools to new APIs, and consider compatibility with existing frameworks. This ensures a smooth transition and minimizes disruptions to your applications. Apache Velocity Tools is a powerful addition to the Velocity templating engine, offering a suite of utilities that enhance your ability to generate dynamic content. Whether you're building web applications, generating reports, or crafting personalized emails, Velocity Tools provides the tools you need to succeed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.